Hello Hodge and welcome to today's lesson on dividing decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So today's keywords are decimal, division, multiplication, and the real life link is with money. Whenever we multiply or divide by tens, hundreds and thousand, we use that in banking and in finance. Sometimes when we go shopping too. Okay, example 1. This is my hundreds column. This is my tens column, and this is my units column. Okay, so I have 7 hundreds. I'm going to put 7 in the 100 column. I have 5 tens and I have 0 units. Okay, whenever we divide by 10, because there is 1 0, we are going to shift all of these numbers 1 to the right. Okay, we're going to shift them all 1 to the right. So the first digit is going to go 1 to the right. What I'm going to do is put a 0 below the tens column. Now vertically below I'm going to put my decimal point. Now I'm going to shift the 5 1 to the right. I'm going to put a 5 there, and now I'm going to shift my 7 1 to the right, and I get a 7 in the tens column. So the answer is 75.0, which is also just 75. Okay, on your mini whiteboard or a piece of paper, can you work out what 520 divided by 10 is? Once you're finished, please come back. Okay, welcome back. 520 divided by 10 is 52. Can you now have a go at what 473 divided by 10 is? Once you're finished, please come back. Okay, welcome back. The answer is 47.3. Okay, now we are dividing by 100. Okay, again, this is our hundreds column, this is our tens column, and this is our units column. We have 100, 9 tens, and 0 units. Because we are dividing by 100, where we have 2 zeros, see 2 zeros here, we're going to move all the numbers 2 to the right. Okay, so just over here I'm going to give us a hundredths column. Yeah, hundredths column. Shift everything 2 to the right. So our first one, 1, 2 into the hundredths column. So we have a 0 there. Now we are going to shift the 9 2 to the right, 1, 2 into the tenths column. Okay, and that gives us a 9 there. Now again, directly below the decimal place, we're going to put our decimal point here. Below our decimal point, we're going to put the decimal point. And then last but not least, with the hundreds column, it's going to go 1, 2 to the right, and we have a 1 there. So our answer is 1.90, which is also 1.9. Okay, 1.9. On your mini whiteboard, can you calculate the answer to this question? Once you're finished, please come back. Okay, welcome back. The answer is 473. Can you please have a go at this mini whiteboard question on your piece of paper or on a mini whiteboard, and once you're finished, please come back. Okay, the answer is 12.5. Okay, our last example is where we're dividing by 1,000. Again, because we are dividing by 1,000 with 3 zeros, everything is going to go shift 3 to the right. Okay, 3 to the right. Okay, now we have something slightly different. We have a thousands column, yeah? Thousands. We have a hundreds column, we have a tens column, and we have a units column. So what I'm going to do here is add a thousands column, okay? We have 2 thousands, we have 2 hundreds, we have 0 tens, and we have 0 units, okay? We're going to shift everything 3 to the right. So I must have over here 2 more columns where we have hundredths and thousandths. Okay, everything is going to shift 3 to the right. This is going to go 1, 2, 3. So the 0 is directly below thousands column. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3. That's going to go directly below the hundreds column. And now we're going to shift the 2, 1, 2, 3 into the tenths column. We have a 2 in the tenths column. Now, don't forget our decimal point goes directly below. And last but not least, we're going to have the remaining 2 shift 1, 2, 3 into the units column. So our answer should be 2.200, which is also 2.2. Okay? Can you please have a go at this mini whiteboard question? Once you have finished, please come back. Okay, welcome back. The answer to this question is 4.73. Can you please have a go at this one? Once you have finished, return to the video. Okay, welcome back. The answer to this one is 1.25. We have now come on to the main task. If you are in sets 1 to 3, can you please have a go at 3 from red, 4 from amber, and 5 from green. Okay. If you are in sets 4 to 6, can you please have a go at 5 from red, 3 from amber, and can you have a go at 3 from green? Okay. Once you have finished, please take a picture of your solutions and upload them onto ClassCharts. Good luck.